Hi there, in this video I will show you how to use Revolut abroad. To use Revolut abroad, simply use your Revolut card like a regular debit card at any merchant that accepts Visa or MasterCard. The app will automatically convert your spending to the local currency at a competitive exchange rate, allowing you to pay in the local currency without needing to pay pre-exchange money beforehand. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs in the local currency using your Revolut card, although fees may apply depending on your plan and the ATM provider. Here is some key points about using Revolut abroad. First, automatic currency conversion. When you spend in a foreign currency, Revolut will automatically convert the amount to your base currency using their exchange rates. Check the app for exchange rates. Before spending, check the current exchange rate in the Revolut app to ensure you are getting a good deal. Then choose to pay in local currency. When prompted, always select to pay in the local currency to avoid potential additional conversion fees. Then load your account with multiple currencies. You can preload your Revolut account with different currencies to avoid unnecessary exchange fees when traveling to multiple countries. Then ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash from ATMs abroad, but be aware of potential ATM withdrawal fees depending on your plan and the ATM provider. Then virtual cards. Use Revolut's virtual card feature for added security when making online purchases abroad. And that's how you can use Revolut abroad. And the other processes is the same as always that you are following to sending money or receiving money on Revolut or any type of transaction, and settings will remain same as always. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.